Hello, welcome to the KlinKode app tutorial series. Today we'll show you how to share our app logs with our support team to help resolve any issues you're facing. First, go to the settings page in your store admin. Next, click on the App and Sales Channels sidebar menu. For this demo, we'll use our Pay Rules app, but you can follow these steps for any of our apps like ShipRite or Discount app. Click on the Pay Rules app. Scroll to the bottom of the page and find the Share Function Logs section. Click the Share Logs button. In the pop-up, click Share Logs again. That's it, a simple way to share the logs of the related app. Now, just inform our support team that you've shared the logs so they can review and fix the issue for you. Thank you for using our KlinKode apps.